In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer vocals in BandLab. By the end, you'll know how to set up your session, stack multiple vocal tracks, and use the built-in tools to tune, blend, and polish them so they sit together like a professional mix. Start by logging into BandLab on your device. Once you're in, head to your library, where all your projects live. Choose the project you want to work on so everything you need is in one place. Next, open the studio. This is where the recording, editing, and mixing happen, and where you'll build your vocal layers. To layer vocals, add multiple voice tracks inside the studio. Think of each track as a separate lane for a different part of your performance: a lead, doubles, harmonies, or ad-libs. Make sure each one sits on its own layer, not stacked on the same track. Keeping them separate gives you precise control over tone, timing, and volume. It also helps with organization, so you can quickly mute, solo, or adjust a part without affecting the others. Once your tracks are set, start with tuning. Use auto pitch to gently correct notes and keep takes consistent. Subtle settings usually sound more natural. The goal is to support the performance, not change its character. Try a mild amount on doubles and harmonies, and keep the lead tasteful so it stays expressive. Now shape the tone and space with FX. Use EQ to clear out muddiness and let each layer breathe. A gentle high-pass filter on doubles and harmonies can remove low-end rumble that competes with the lead. If the lead sounds boxy, carve a small cut in the low mid-range. If it needs clarity, add a touch of presence. Add reverb to place the vocals in the same space. Shorter reverbs keep things up front, while longer tails create depth. A light delay, like a slapback or short echo, can widen the sound without making the mix messy. Keep effects balanced so the words remain clear. For separation, adjust volume and panning. Keep the lead vocal centered and at a confident level. Turn doubles and harmonies down slightly so they support the lead instead of competing with it. Pan doubles a little left and right to create width, and place harmonies where they complement the lead. Finally, use comping to combine the best parts of multiple takes into one strong performance. Choose the cleanest phrases and assemble a seamless lead, then layer your doubles and harmonies around it. That's it. Log in, open your project, build separate vocal layers, tune with auto pitch, shape with FX, balance with volume and panning, and refine with comping. Save your project and enjoy your polished, layered vocals.